Hey guys, Jungle Bob here. Coming up next is my good friend Rich with Mowers and Blowers Outdone.
The 2016 Chevy Equinox. So if you're looking to change this back wiper blade, you'll notice, has this big plastic contraption on it. Do you have to buy this whole thing or just the wiper blade underneath it? And if you go to lift up on it, you can't even lift up on it to like swing it around like the front wiper blades. So if you guys are interested in figuring out how to save money on your wiper blades, stay tuned. Alright, so if we look at this here, there are some tabs underneath each side of this, and you squeeze them in and it will release this plastic thing. Now there's also somewhere right about in the middle here, it's connected inside here, so be careful and not to break that. So we're going to remove the back end first, and this is going to slide to your left out. And once I get this off, I'll show you the little connection underneath there. So it takes 2 hands to do it. So I got it loose. So here it is now free. So there is a tab under here that connects to this. You can feel this metal thing right there, and you're not going to be able to budge that metal thing, but there's a little plastic tab under each side here. So now once this is free, you're going to slide that forward and it's going to come off. So let's look at it. So we got right here, and we have this tab right there. So that is going to go inside there and then slide backwards. So once you free the back, you can't just pull it off. So don't yank it off, you'll probably break that plastic tab. So push it forward, left, toward the driver's side, and it'll slide right off. Now we are left with the wiper blade on here, and you still can't lift it up. See how it kind of stops you from lifting it up right there? So usually on like the front ones, you can swing it around and pull it off. This one has a little tab, which is down in here. Okay, so you're gonna, if you can't get your finger on the tab, you use a screwdriver. Alright, so we got the tab unlocked with the screwdriver because I couldn't get my phalanges inside there. So the little tab, let's see if we can see it right there. The little tab, take a screwdriver and lift up on it, and then it'll release it, and then this, and it will slide out like that. So let's take a look at it while it's off. So that hook goes down inside there, and when you put it on, it goes toward the driver's side. When you release it, release that tab, it goes toward the passenger side. Alright, now that I got my small tripod out out. This will show you a little more in detail. So screwdriver goes inside here, lifts up on that tab, goes toward the passenger side. This here, you got your little tab inside here, right here. So that is connected on this like that. So when you release the tabs down here, when you release these tabs, pull them in, pull that up, this is still connected, so you're going to have to slide that toward the driver's side, and that'll come off. Alright, so just a little recap. Now, what we're going to do, so you can go out and buy this whole mechanism, you know, $18.99, I think what I called and got a price on, or you can go out and just buy a replacement rubber for $2.99. So that's what we are going to do. We are just going to replace this rubber inside this and keep this whole thing and save, you know, 16 bucks on a windshield wiper blade. Alright, so once you got this off, this is locked in here. There is some little tabs right here on one end of it, not on the other end. Okay, the other end is free. Some little tabs, and what you do is you squeeze that in with some pliers here. Once you squeeze that in, you'll be able to slide that out. So alright, so all I did is just put a little pressure on there and use my fingers to push it right here and pull at the same time, and it came right out. So this will just slide right out of here. Alright, just like that. Alright, now all you do is take these little metal tabs. They're like a little wire, I don't know what you call them, they're flat wire, I guess. So you take this out and you're going to put that inside here. So we're going to put it inside the top. So there's a couple different levels to this. You'll see there's like 1, 2, 3 levels. So we are going to put it into the top level, just like that. And if you're not sure, just look on your old one, you'll be able to tell. So, and all it does is just go right into that groove, just like that. Alright, and grab your other one out and do the same thing on the other side. So, and then you make sure you got your tabs facing the right way, so that's the right way. This is the wrong way, so you don't want to put it in that way. Alright, so put that in there. Just like that. Even these up if it's not even. So this particular blade, so you can go to the auto parts store and just buy these replacement blades, the rubber part, just the rubber part. So you don't have to buy the whole windshield wiper blade and mechanism and all that good stuff. And really it only takes probably 2-3 minutes to do all this. You know, on video it takes a little bit longer to explain all this and do this. So then now what you're going to do with your with this is you're going to take these metal things and slide these back into here. So they are going to slide back in there. And that will lock it on there. So this top one, this bottom one, top one, depends on how you hold it, is for the metal thing. And then the next one down is for this. So we slide that in there. Slide that in there, and see the metal blade goes underneath the clips, and then this goes into the groove next to it. So the metal blades go underneath this ledge. So let's look at it from the in view. So see that ledge there, the metal blades go underneath that. And you just feed it through. All the way to the end. Make sure you get the metal blades all the way through there. Alright, now when you get to the end here, so let's flip it this way like it's a normal blade. So this here, let's see where I can get a good view at it. This here, these two tabs will clip into that. So as you pull it, they will clip into it. Alright, there you go. So now your whole blade is locked in there. Alright, so your whole blade is now locked in there by these metal tabs. That will not come out. Good and locked in there. Make sure all these are solid. You got them underneath the metal, underneath the tabs. Alright, time to put her back on. So we're going to lift this up. Put that back in here like that. And then just pull it forward and you hear it click in. And your wiper blade is now back to normal. Good on there. Now all you have to do is replace the other part and you'll be good to go. Go ahead and remember this clip right here. This clip is going to slide into here. So put that down first. Push it toward the passenger side, and then we are going to go ahead and press this back down on here so it clips on. There we go. Now it's all clipped back on. Make sure you can't pull it off, and you got a brand new wiper blade.
Thanks for watching, guys. Please hit that like button, ring that bell so you can see the next video. And thanks for watching. This is Jungle Bob. Mowers and Blowers Outdone.